Rohit, are you ready?
Yes.
Which festival is Gujarat famous for that celebrated with kites?
Uttarayan.
Uttarayan. Very good. Which wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat is home of the Asiatic lion?
Gir National Park.
Gir National Park. Good. Which city in Gujarat is famous for diamond cutting and polishing?
Surat.
Surat. Good. Which dance from the most popular in Gujarat?
Garba.
Garba. Very good. Which is the largest district in Gujarat?
Kutch.
Kutch. Complete. Very good. Vanraj, are you ready?
Yes.
Which Gujarat village is famous for the craft of Rogan painting?
Mirona in Kutch.
Very good. Which is the state animal of Gujarat?
Asiatic lion.
Yes, Asiatic lion. Which Gujarat city is famous for textile mill and called the Manchester of East?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Good. Which Gujarat fair is organized in Ambaji temple?
Bhadarvi Punam Fair.
Bhadarvi Punam fair. Okay. Which Gujarat festival is associated with kite flying?
Uttarayan.
Uttarayan. Very good.